rodents such as rats and mice na very bad animal. In fact, na poultry birds enemy e be, because one, dem fit kill your bird. Two, e dey cause economic hardship for poultry farm. Three, dem dey contaminate your poultry feed wey dey lead to feed shortage in your poultry farm. So these rodents dem dey very bad for poultry farm. So hello guys, welcome back to DIY farm. For this our YouTube channel, we talk about poultry farming, both organic and synthetic. So for today's video, we wan talk about how you go take control rodents for your poultry house. Na wetin we wan talk about for today's video. If na the first time when you dey watch this our video, abeg no forget to subscribe. If you be a returning subscriber, we tell you thank you. Continue to like, share and subscribe to our video. So for today's video, we wan talk about how you go take control the spread of these rodents for your poultry house. Number one step now na using trap. Na trap be number one step wey you fit use. This trap, you get different type of trap. You get the metal trap, you get the stick trap, and we still get the glue trap. All this one are trap. This trap, then they kill and then they scare away these rodents. How you go take use trap? When you don't buy trap, how you go take use am? You fit put the trap for where the rat dey pass, or for nearer to the place where they stay or their home. You fit put something like biscuits, bread, or any other thing rat you like chop. When they try to come there, this trap fit catch them. You fit use glue tape. This glue na the one be say you fit pour the glue for carton, keep am for where rat dey pass. When rat pass, e fit catch the rat and kill the rat. That one go help stop the spread of rodents. Another one be say na poison. You fit use poison kill this rat. As we all know, rats dem no like poison at all. Poison dem dey different type. Some dey when be say dem dey put am like that, rat dey eat and die. Some dey when be say dem dey mix am with the things when rat dey like chop, such as biscuit, fish, any other thing wey rat dey like.